Hello everyone, this is Umana from Tixio. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of Tixio HR and show you around what you can do as an employee inside Tixio HR once you're added to Tixio HR by your HR admin. So let's get to it. Once your HR admin has added you to Tixio HR add-on, you can get access to HR add-on from the leftmost sidebar. All you need to do is sign into your workspace and click on Tixio HR. So you get access to all these features inside Tixio HR, but of course in a restricted manner. So as an employee, you will get access to features like people, contacts, salary, your access, equipment, skill, leave management, ENPS, and your own profile. So we are going to get through one by one. First up is people. So, people is a people directory for all the employees in your workspace so that you don't have to, contact each an employee for a specific information you need from them. For example, you want to contact an employee. And send him an email. You don't know his email address, so you don't have to knock that person to get the email address. Instead, you can come to this directory and get access to the information you need. So this is a people directory for all the employees in this workspace. As you can see, there are several people added here, and there is a pagination. I can filter the people from in terms of teams, location, supervisor, their skills, and I can also change how many people I want to see in one page. And I can also search with the person's name. And if you click on this person's name, a profile card will open at the right side of your screen. So this profile card will show all the details of this person in case you require. For example, I'm going to show you the profile card of my own. So this is my own profile. So I can see, as you can see, that this has a unique employee ID after my name, also my email, my phone number, my designation, and also in the about section, you can see all the details you need from my end. For example, email address. If you need my DOB, it will be here. The first and last working day based on the contract. Also, employment status gives of who's my supervisor, what location I'm based in, which team I belong to, etc. Also, there is a bank details section. This is really handy for people to communicate with HR in terms if their bank details has changed. For, let's say you are collecting your salary in a specific bank account, so you can add the bank account number, country, and other details in this section. There's a note section where you can add more details such as routing number, branch detail, etc. Or if you're not collecting it through bank account, you can also use this section by using the notes part where you can add your other details such as you're collecting the salary through Wise, Payoneer, or PayPal. You can add the details here, so it will always be transparent to your HR. And whenever your HR admin requires, he or she can access this detail from your profile. Next is skills. You can always see the skills that you've been assigned to by your HR. The skill level can change. Once it's done, you can also change your own skill level. Say I can change the skill level from 3 to 4 and update it, and it will reflect here. I can also delete the skill level from my profile. This is a gap analysis to quickly understand your overall skill set. And there is a document section. This section helps you upload the necessary document that is required by your HR admin or your organization as per the rules and policies. Let's say some organization require your driving license, your national ID, exit letter from your previous employer, your educational certificates, etc. So you can upload those documents here, and it will keep a record that will also be quickly accessible by your HR admin in case required. So this is the profile card that I've shown. Uh, Next up is team. So our organization can be divided into different teams. Uh, for example, in our case, the teams are divided into locations based on locations, but it could be something else. Let's say it could be project teams, IT teams, HR teams, etc. So As you can see, the teams can be created by HR. You do not have access to create a new team, but you can see the organizational structure from the team, location, organogram, etc. So if I click on this team, I can see how many people are there in the Bangladesh team. I can add more people here. I can also see how many people are there in the Indian team, Philippines team, Norway team, etc. Next up is location. I can see that what locations the employees are based in case you're working in remote or hybrid settings or working with global teams. This really comes handy to understanding the people and how many people are assigned to specific locations to plan around something. Then comes the organogram. Organogram gives you a quick understanding of your organizational structure, who supervises whom, and how the structure is being made. So the organogram can be set in two modes, in vertical mode or in horizontal mode, whichever seems fit for you. You can quickly see who reports to whom, and you can drag the organogram for your better understanding like that. It's an open space for that. Yep. And dragging and dropping does not change anything. It's just for your understanding. So next up is contracts. You can see your own contracts from my contracts section. This gives you of the details of your contract that's been added by your HR admin, such as the contract file. You can click on the file and see your location, your team, and the contract effective date. So this date is also set by your HR admin, the upload date and last update date of your contract. You can click on this view button to quickly get a glimpse of your contract, let's say your contract period, start and date, leave policies, payment details, etc. So if your contract has expired and a new contract is assigned to you, the contracts will be lined up here one after another, and you can also get access to your old contracts as well, so that you can always keep track of what's been changed in terms of your employment contract. Next up is salary. In this section, you can see the salary and the payout details that's been assigned to you in your contract. For example, this is a sample salary that's been assigned to me, and I can see the salary as current. When the contract is expired and I've been promoted, and let's say a new salary is assigned to me, so the old salary will also appear here and showed as old, and I will see the current salary as well at the beginning. So as you can see, the salary shows the contract time period, and my payout cycle is per month, and this is a monthly gross salary. So this is a sample salary, but you can have a detailed salary information here. And also there is a bank details section that's I've shown you before. You can also access the bank details section from here. There is a salary status that's been shown that it's been pending because I have been added to this contract recently, so it's not showing the upcoming salaries. When the salary hits my account next month, then this will count, and a log will prepare here, and the status will show as the salary is already sent. So in case I have a dispute regarding my salary, I can create a dispute from here. Let's say this salary is supposed to hit my account in 31st December. I can sh- create a dispute around it if I haven't received the salary properly. So this dispute will directly go to my HR admin, and my HR will be notified and can take the further actions around it. So I can add the document. For example, I have not received a salary. I can uh, add the evidence such as my bank statement that I've not received the salary yet here as a document. It could be PDF, it could be image, and anything. I can add notes and submit the dispute. Once the dispute is submitted, as I've mentioned before, your HR will get notified and will resolve around the dispute. And once the dispute is solved, you will find a notification here in the notification section or your email that your salary dispute is resolved. Next up is access. So I haven't granted any access yet. So this works just like LastPass. If your HR is granting you access to a specific email or maybe a specific website or online platform, your HR admin can add access to your name or assign you access to that specific URL. So it will appear here in the list view. As I've already said that I have not been granted any access yet, so I cannot see it here. But of course, if you're granted an access, you will see it in the list view, and you can quickly click on the URL and get to see what it's about. Next is equipment. So I can see the equipment that's been assigned to me or my other team members from the equipment section. So once the HR admin assigns a device to you, he or she can add equipment under your name. It's really helpful for tracking the equipment on both sides from your end as well as your HR admin. In case you are assigned to an equipment for 2 years and it's expiring soon, then your HR admin will know and change the device uh, accordingly. Or maybe if your device is faulty, your HR admin can also mark it faulty and remove the equipment from you and assign you to the new equipment. In that case, you will always have the clarity over what device you have been assigned to. Especially, it's helpful for the QA because QAs are assigned to multiple devices at the same time. So, yeah, you can also filter based on location, assign to status, etc. Next up is skills. So, this section has all the skills available under your organization. You can add more skills in case it's missing in the skill section. For example, there are skills for product management, project management. I can add more skill like AI and add it here, create the skill here. So if I click on product management, I can see that how many people are having the skill and at what level at a glance. So it's really helpful for understanding my team members. Next up is leave management. This is the most important part of Tixio HR, and we would be used day to day. So, leave management is where you can apply for your leave and check your leave balance, and also take a quick look at the leave calendar of your organization. So, when you click on leave management, you'll be redirected to My Leave section. My Leaves show you all the upcoming leave requests that you have applied for. So at this point I don't have any applied leave, so my this section is showing zero request. If I have a leave request, it will show up here and show as pending or approved or in any status. If it's approved or in a pending status, it will still show up here in the upcoming section. Um, Below, you can see there is a leave balance and history. In the leave balance section, you can see the type of leave you are assigned to, depending on your contract. Let's say I'm assigned to 15 days of casual leave and 12 days of earned leave, and the balance is showing how many leaves I've taken already and how many of them are left. So the available is showing the leaves left for me to apply, and also there is a history of me applying for the leaves. So, how many leaves I have applied, whether or not they're approved or rejected. I can take a quick action here by viewing the leave request. So, as you can see, if you click on it, you can see the details of the leave that I've applied for. I've applied for 2 days of leave, and it's an earned leave. It's been pending and later approved by Torsten on this date. So, all the details applied for the leave will be there. And also, you can see there is a note which I have added. So there will be also an action button or edit button here appearing for your pending leaves. In case you have applied for a leave and it's still in the pending status, you can change the leave details. For example, if you don't want a leave for 2 days and instead you want to change it to 1 day, you can still edit this. But once it's approved or rejected, you cannot edit the leave. In case of you haven't taken a leave that you have already applied for. Let's say I've applied for a leave on 3rd April, but I have joined office on that day, I haven't taken the leave, then I need to talk to my HR admin. In that case, HR admins in Tixio HR have access to edit your leaves and update your leave balance. In that case, the HR admin can edit the leave on your behalf or cancel the leave in case you haven't taken the leave properly, and that will automatically update your leave balance back to its original number. So yeah, next is the leave calendar, which gives you a quick overview of your overall leave calendar of your organization. Let's say which employee has applied for a leave in the next month or next few weeks. You can quickly take a look at that, and that will really help you plan around any project or work in future. You can also select holidays that will show the holidays available in that in a specific location. Let's say I have picked Bangladesh, so it's showing me all the holidays uh, assigned to Bangladesh, and these are the days that our team members will spend a holiday. So I can plan my work around it, or if I apply for a leave, I can take a quick look at the holidays and then apply for a leave accordingly. I can also select pendings, so I can see all the pending leaves uh, of myself that's been I have applied but not been approved by HR admin. But it will only show the pending leave from my end, not the other employees. Okay, next up is ENPS. So ENPS is basically to uh, track how the workplace is doing, uh, and be scored by employees. So you can score your workspace or your organization with ENPS quickly. So the survey is exactly anonymous. Your HR admin will never know who has provided what response. So to make sure the anonymity, the survey must be conducted among at least 5 members. So as you can see, there is already an ENPS created. So if as an as an HR admin have created a survey for you, you'll get notified via email, or you can go to ENPS, and you can click on submit response to submit your score for your organization. So this is a bi-weekly survey as it is shown here, and I can rate my organization from 0 to 10, and I can also add my thoughts here in the notes section. As I've said before, it's anonymous, so the comment will be available to your HR admin to see, but of course that HR admin will never know who has provided the comment as the first place and what score you have provided your organization to. So I can click here and submit response, and the ANPS will not be there anymore. So yeah. Next up is profile. This is the detail of the profile card that I've shown you before. So this is my own profile. I can edit my profile, add the details if required. I can do the stuff I could do from the small profile card on the right side. This is basically a larger version of it. And as you can see, the same set of features are available here as well. So yeah. And also, we will soon have onboarding, offboarding, playbook, company insights, and other features as well that will be available to all the employees quickly. Um, let's stay tuned for that. And if you have more questions, just let me know. I'll be available to help. Thank you for your time. Yeah, stay good. Goodbye.